Hello and assalamu alaikum. So, hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well and fine. Hope you all enjoying and in good spirits. So, guys, in our today live streams, we have to be discussing some of our hodlers airdrop and some of our candy drop that should be candy drop of proof. In this proof is a newly launched candy drop on gate.io. So we have to be discussing about proof that what they should have their criteria, what they should are delivering to us, what are their things and the requirements that we should have been followed, and that type of things. So this is the thing we have to be discussing about yet, that what we should get from the proof and what should their holder, their traders, and their people who are eligible for it and who will participate in the program, what should they get, what are their requirements, everything, each and everything in detail we are discussing about it. So yes, let's start it without any waste of time. So the first thing is candy drop. 62 second candy drop X sushi sent sushi net proof trade to share 2 lakh proof. So yes, candy drop is Gates candy airdrop platform where user complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrop. So yes guys, basically candy drop is a Gate.io's new airdrop system, you can say that, which is uh, named by candy drop. And who will get the candy drop? The people who will complete their task, complete their requirement, these type of things, so they will get this candy airdrop. So yes guys, these are the things, and we are excited to launch the proof token airdrop event where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share a total prize pool of 2 lakh proof with a maximum individual share of 100 proof retail RS follow. So yes guys, first thing is that they are the total prize pool is of 2 lakh proof and with a maximum individual share of 100 proof. So guys, the share of one person is of 100 proof. This is the maximum, means some of the people get less than 100 according to guys their, means you can say that they're completing task, and according to these type of things, so they will get their things. But now the maximum person who will complete all the tasks and being all complete all the requirement of the gate, so they will get 100 pros. So yes, now their details. First future trade price pool 1 lakh proof, fixed 20 proof per eligible user. So yes guys, the first price pool is of, for future trade is of 1 lakh proof, and 1 lakh proof fixed 20 proof per eligible user, means 20 proof is been divided, 20 proof is given to a eligible user, means one user will get 20 proof, and the total price pool is of 1 lakh proof. So if you trade on it, and if you have been you participate in this program and then you trade in this price pool, and then you get 20 proof as you are eligible. Next are their future trading pool 1 lakh proof, maximum 80 proof per person. This is guys second thing, which is future trading pool. First is the first future trading price pool. Next is future trading pool, which is 1 lakh proof and maximum 80 proof per person, means 80 proof per person can get. Next are the airdrop calculation formula. Individual candy drop amount divided by total candies of the user multiply by price pool. So yes guys, this is the airdrop calculation formula, means the total airdrop is of 2 lakh. So you can see that its formula is that individual candy amount and the total candies of the user, these both are divided and multiply with price pool. So these are their airdrop calculation formula, you can say that, and this is the thing they should be going on. So now guys, hope you will understand it. The first criteria, that the first future trading price pool is 1000 1 lakh proof with of 20 proof per eligible person. The second is future trading pool which is 1 lakh proof, maximum 80 proof per person. So guys, this is only the means, you can say, the heading. I will explain you in the detail, so just continue to it. Next are the event period. So guys, event period is August 6 2025 10 to August 17 2025 10. This is their event period. So guys, by you, if you wanted to join this, so this is the join now button. You have to click on this join now button, and then you should be eligible to join this proof airdrop, with 2 lakh proof. So then you will join by clicking on this join now button. If you click on this join now button, it will appear a task page in front of you. You have to complete the following task, and then you should have been going for it. So yes guys, now we move on our first thing, which is number one, first future trade price pool rules. So we have to be study now. It's user who make their first ever future trade on gate and future trading volume of any token is greater than or is equal to 5000 USDT will receive a fixed 20 proof reward. First come, first serve. Total price pool is 1 lakh proof distributed after the event. So yes guys, if any of the person who is new on the gate and never trade before on the gate, so they will get the 20 proof. And how they will get? Firstly, they have to be trade on any token. The volume should be of is equal to or greater than 5000 USDT. If you have been trade on Gate with the volume with the amount of 5000 USDT or greater than 5000 USDT, then you should be eligible for their first future trade price pool. You should be understood, they will mention first come first serve, means as you, because guys, the eligible person can be get it, and if there are 1 lakh person, then 1 lakh person will not get it. The only person who will come first and complete their requirements, complete their trade on any token of 5000 USDT, then they will eligible for this. So how fast you will do it, then there are very fast chances to be eligible in it. So now you should be understand it, that who the user who will first ever future trade on gate and the future trading volume is of any token is greater than or is equal to 5000 USDT will receive a fixed 20 proof reward. First come, first serve. Total price pool is 1 lakh proof distributed after the event. So yes guys, after the event completion, the amount should be distributed. So now we're moving on our second step, which is future trading pool rule. During the event, a user with a cumulative proof future trading volume open plus close greater than or is equal to 30,000 USDT will earn candies. So guys, this is the thing they should be going to it. So guys, they are saying during the event, user with a cumulative proof future trading volume open plus close greater than or is equal to 30,000 USDT will earn candy. So guys, any of the user on the gate which have on proof future trading volume have the trade of greater than or is equal to 30,000 USDT will get the candies. So guys, this is the criteria. If you are the person that should be trade on the proof token, both trade buy or sell, means open plus close, not only buy, not only sell, or not only open close, means both. If you have been trade on open and on the close section, so then you have been eligible, and your trading amount is of greater than or is equal to 30,000 USDT, then you should be eligible. for this thing. So now guys, you should have been understood it that what should be their criteria and what should be they have been going on. So move on the next. Will end candies and share the 1 lakh proof pool. Max 9 candies per user with a cap of 50 proof. The reward will are as follow. Proof trading volume greater than or equal to 30,000 USDT, 1 candy. Next thing are proof trading volume greater than or equal to 50,000 USDT, 3 candies. Proof trading volume greater than or equal to 80,000 USDT, 5 candies. So yes, guys, these are the things you should be have been going upon. So guys, the person who will have proof trading volume of greater than or is equal to 30,000 USDT, they will get one candy. Okay. Second thing is if their proof trading volume is greater than or is equal to 50,000 USDT, then they will get three candies. Number three is that proof trading volume greater than or is equal to 80,000 USDT, they will get five candies. So yes, guys, these are the total eligibility area, and if you will get full of the nine candies, then you should have been complete their fully requirement of the if you have been trade of 30,000, then 50,000, then of 80,000, then you should be have been get 9 of 9 candies, and the candies rewards are as mentioned with a cap of 80 proof. So 80 proof per candy. So as you have been going to it, so there are 9 candies and 80 proofs of per candy. So you will get 720 proofs, and the 720 proofs you should be get from it. And it means the 720 proof means that it should be about $1,400 this type of thing, because the current proof rate is 1.4 749 something, so you will get from it. So this is the total eligibility criteria that you should be get from it. So guys, now it should be upon to you that how much trading volume, how much be your trade on the proof. As much as you trade on the proof, so then they will get a price to you. So this is now upon to you that what should be you get from it. So guys, next are their project introduction. Sukinet is building a decentralized prover network so that anyone can build blockchain application and infrastructure secure by cryptographic truth, not trust. Sukinet unifies the proof supply chain, providing highly available proof generation infrastructure with best-in-class pricing for rollup, coprocessor, and other application using zero knowledge proofs. So yes, guys, these are the things about that. So guys, now we have to be move on their node. Then we have to be move on their website. So yes, guys, we should now moving on their node. So guys, participant must click the join now button on the event page after successfully joining the event. They must complete the event task and identity verification to receive the reward. So guys, the firstly thing is that you should have been, if you have been participate on the event. So you should have been. I will see you. I will again this join now button. You have to click on this join now button. As you click on this join now button, then you should be in, go to the event page. After you successfully joining the event page, joining the event, then you should must have complete the task, and first of all you should have complete your identity verification, because guys, without completing the identity verification you should not get any of the reward. So guys, number two is that reward will be distributed to user account within 14 working days after the end of the event. So guys, many of the person have been this thing in their mind that we have completed the task and we should not receive any of the means any of the reward, any of the thing. So guys, the reward will be distributed in 14 working days. It should not be you completed the task and after the tomorrow you will receive the reward. No, there are 14 working days, and in that you should have been received the your reward. So guys, number three, it is strictly prohibited. Register multiple small account, engage in malicious wash trading, self-buying and self-selling, or any other cheating behavior. So yes, guys, you have been restricted or strictly prohibited. If you have been regular means small account, you should have been many of the small account, and you have been included in any of the malicious trading washing means you have been wash traders or these type of things. And if you include in self buying or self selling things, or means any of the cheating behavior, any of the thing that is restricted, that is against the rule of the gate and the thing, so then you should have been restricted to it. So that's why you are being careful and don't do any of the cheating behavior. Because of that, if you have been cheating behavior, your account is being strictly prohibited and you have been not eligible for any of the tasks. Next is multiple account of the same verified user will be considered the same account. Sub account are not allowed to participate in the activity. So yes, guys, if you have multiple account of same identity verification, so they will not count. If the person has the identification of the same thing, so it will not get it. It will consider only one account. If you have the same ID and passport on the verification on the two account or three account, then it will count only one account. And the next thing is that sub accounts are not allowed. Means if you have any of the other account and you participate in this event, so they are not allowed. So yes, guys, these are the things we should be going upon it. And now, guys, we are going to be read their fourth thing, which is market maker. Enterprises and institutions are not allowed to participate in this event. Agent account cannot participate in friend invitation types activities, while other activities are unrestricted. So guys, the market makers, any of the market makers, any of the businessmen, enterprises and the institutions, the big institutions are not allowed to participate in this event. Any of the market maker, any of the enterprise, any of the institution owner means XYZ, anything have been not allowed to be entered in this price pool. Only the valid user, on the gate user, who is been working on the gate and is not any enterpriser and not any market maker, so they are eligible to enter. Agent account cannot participate in friend invitation type activities while other activities are unrestricted. So yes guys, any of the agent account in which agent are included, means you can say that any of the agent think that a person who will invite the friends and they are joining to it, many of the things, so these type of things are not being allowed. These are prohibited, restricted. So yes, guys, these are the things. Now we have to move on our fifth step. In case of any discrepancies between translated version and English version, the English version shall prevail. So yes, guys, English version should always be followed. Gate has the final interpretation rights for this event. So yes, guys, gate is the means you have been know about that. If someone has been received the less price pool and rest, so you cannot say anything because guys there is your mistake. You should have been consider any prohibited behavior or any of the cheating things. So gate will deal to it and the final rights and final interpretation is of gate. Number 7 is of that user is restricted areas cannot access for all part of services including participated in this event, game or competition. For more information about restricted area, please use Google Document. So yes, guys, any of the user who are in the restricted area, which is restricted by gate, shall not be prevail or enter in this prize pool. So yes, guys, this is now clearly that any of the person who should be means you can say that living at the restricted area, so they will not get in this prize pool. So if you should be in a restricted area, then you should not have to participate or this event. The restricted areas are mentioned. Next are number 8, risk warning. User must pay attention to the fact that virtual currency trading is affected by various factors, such as market and policies. The market is highly volatile and price fluctuation are difficult to predict. Please be sure to pay attention to market risk and trade cautiously. So yes guys, these are the rules, these are the things, every of the things we should be have to be read and it should be now very informative to you. So guys, now we're moving on their website and seeing that what are their, we can see that criteria and these type of things. So guys, the website is Sukinet and prove the world of software. Sukinet is a decentralized proof network that makes zero knowledge easy for everyone. So yes guys, moving on their white paper, we should be read their white paper. So guys, there should be an issue between of white paper. So we should be need out of their blogs. So guys, they are their blogs. You can should be then join Sufficient Network introducing SPC. So yes guys, these are their layer introducing SP1CC, unleashing the full power of EVM. Sufficient is supercharging the EVM with a new ZK primitive. SP1. So guys, next thing are there with SP1, developers get a ZK processor, ZK coprocessor that makes Ethereum more feature complete and programmable than ever, exceeding the limitation of the EVM. The EVM is the most widely adopted smart contract platform, securing over $100 billion in assets across multiple chains. However, it comes with its core limitation. First thing is no access to historical state. Smart contract can only access the current value of the storage slot, tracking historical data requirement, expensive stores operation, and bespoke logic adding development time. Next are their gas constraints. Developers want to build rich, compute heavy application. However, high gas cost and a fixed gas limit force simpler, less capable design. Next are their rigid smart contract. Smart contracts are designed to be immutable. Upgrades are costly unless specific design patterns are implemented. Upfront overhead that many apps can't afford. Next are these constraints are designed to preserve Ethereum performance and decentralization, but they make it hard to build and maintain on-chain application. SP1CC enables developers to break free from these limitations. Next are their SP1CC unleashes the EVM. SP1CC introduces a new compute paradigm for the EVM: read, compute, verify. Read ingest historical blockchain state, i.e. storage event, call data at any block. Next are their compute. Execute arbitrary solidity, logic off chain, no gas limit, full flexibility. Verify. Submit a single ZK proof on chain to prove that computation was executed correctly. The model makes the EVM introspective, scalable, programmable without changing a line of L1 code. The table below outline the changes for developers. So yes guys, these are the things vanilla EVM with SP1CC. The state access only current block, any block since March 2023. Gas limit 30 million gas, soon to be smaller due to EIP 7983. So guys, these are the things. So guys, cost varies based on gas price and scale with gas use. Fixed to 210k gas for verification plus affordable proof generation cost. Next are their upgrade. Migration or proxy contract patterns. Extend immutable contract trust recipe. Input data, current state plus call data, historical state plus multi-block events plus call data. Next are how to build SP1CC. Emulates contract calls at any historical block. Read storage, simulate logic, no actual state changes. Next are they create, virtually deploy contract and execute them off-chain. No on-chain transaction needed. This lets you stimulate contract logic, create storage, and compose complex behavior by calling into other contracts since execution happens off-chain. So guys, next are their get logs, query and filter logs across arbitrary blocks, access data that's normally inaccessible in the EVM. With these three building blocks, a range of emergent applications are now possible. Next are their leading teams are building with SP1CC. Teams like EigenLayer are already using SP1CC. Egenda uses SP1CC to prove that each data availability DAB lob is backed by quorum-wide stake attestations. Before SP1CC, verifying a KZG commitment of every blob directly. So yes, guys. Next are there by integrating Egend is sidestepped. Next are there extend the EVM with a universe of new application. With SP1CC, developers can transform their blockchain application while keeping their business logic in Solidity. Here's a picture of what is possible on-chain governance without migration. The best price for deployed ERC20 is to ensure what they are not an upgradable. Otherwise, the contract can be modified to introduce bug or vulnerabilities, but this comes at a cost. Older token can't add new features or governance functionality. Without a full migration, a costly endeavor that requires all users to relinquish their old token and claims a new ones. With SPC1CC, governance can be progressively upgraded. Developers can snapshot token balance at any block, verify off-chain signatures, compute what weights by stake DeFi positions etc. and prove the result on-chain. Teams no longer need proxy contract for lengthy start migrations with a new contract deployment. Next are their DeFi oracles without checking point. Today team can calculate a token swap time weight average price by calling any Uniswap V2 V3 AMM pool. However, because the design relies on an accumulator to track prior prices, developer must initiate two checkpoint transactions. This creates a clunky developers experience. With SPC1CC, developers can use call to fetch price data at any historical block without complex accumulator logic. More advanced functionality is more possible. A team cloud compute a VWAP for an on-chain ETF with no centralized oracle or smart contract change by using call to fetch token prices across multiple pools at various block heights. Next are their improved security disclosure via proof of exploit. Today, white hats disclose smart contract vulnerable by privately sharing the exploit with a team. The team is responsible for reproducing the bug, a slow process that risks leaking the vulnerability. With SP1CC create and call functionality, white hats can stimulate sophisticated attacks and prove the smart contract's vulnerability with a single ZK proof. The process is much safer as it does not reveal the underlying exploit. Next are their transparency and verifiable airdrops. Airdrops currently rely on an opaque scripts and centralized indexer. User must trust that the team run the selection logic correctly. With SPC1CC, developers can design verifiable airdrop with transparent selection criteria. These airdrops can have complex criteria like LP participation, DAO votes, and other on-chain behavior. At the end of the day, everything is verified with a ZK proof. Next are they use SP1CC today. SP1CC is live, audited, and powered application like eGen Start building next-gen application on Ethereum and any EVM compatible Envel or L2. A golden age of smart contract development is here, powered by Cnadydrop PROVE network. So yes, guys, this is about the Cnadydrop proof airdrop, and we should have been. You should make sure that you will understand for it. So yes, guys. Next are these type of things. Moving to our backside. So guys, the latest on it was, if you can see that is of 24 July, 3 July, 26 July, then it started in May. So many of these things, so we should make sure to it. Zen joined the sufficient prover network. Zen is joining the sufficient prover network as a multi-node cluster tool. Zen is an infrastructure provider specializing in node operation and hardware powered by on-chain Open Lab. They recently collaborated with Sekinet on FPGA acceleration of SPI and improved SP1 20x over additional CPUs, demonstrating their deep technical expertise in ZK. They will bringing they will bring their extensive experience in hardware acceleration and running hundreds of GPUs in production to the network by bidding in competitive auctions for proof. This Zen proof will provide critical infrastructure to our customers. So yes, guys, this is about the Zen layer. They will bring their extensive experience in. Now, guys, the next thing is Zen's work on FPGA acceleration will also benefit the network in the long run by reducing proving cost for all user FPGAs and much more cheaper than cloud GPUs or even on-premise clusters. FPGA and acceleration will act as a lead into an upcoming will act as a lead in incorporating ZK proving assets that can encode specialized proof system in silicon. The network is now composed of some of the most respected provers teams in the world. We are well on the way to realizing our initial vision for creating the world's largest proving cluster. The vote of confidence given by team like Zen will accelerate ZK worldwide. So yes, guys, these are their blog. So guys, there How to become a prover on the sufficient prover network. The sufficient prover network is a protocol for producing zero knowledge proof for any piece of software, whether it is a blockchain bridge, Oracle, AI agent, video games, or anything in between. Our goal is to make proving a general purpose primitive for blockchain security that is as accessible and foundational as mining or staking. Next are similar to how mining in proof of work or staking in proof of stake. Secure consensus protocol proving is an open and permissionless process. Anyone can participate by running a prover and contributing computation to the network. Next, at the heart of the protocol is a decentralized auction mechanism that coordinates demand for proofs with availability supply. Prover compete by bidding on proof request, optimizing for price and speed. This creator built a robust market-driven proving layer that incentivizes performance, reliability, and also innovation. So now, guys, how it works. Prover can join network by running a node building on proof request and earning reward. Run a prover node, use the official reference prover software to join the network with minimal setup or build your own optimized implementation to gain a competitive edge. Next are their bid on proof request. The network posts new proof jobs in an open auction. Each job comes with a proof of spec and a deadline. Provers submit bids with the price they are willing to accept. Next are their unreward. If your bid wins, you are responsible for delivering a valid proof of time. If you succeed, you earn the bid amount in proof tokens. All provers are required to stake a minimum amount of proofs as collateral. Next are who should become approved. First, danger node participation in the network as a prover does not guarantee a return on investment or compensation. There are currently no additional incentives or participate in the network. Running a competitive prover is resource intensive, requiring both substantial technical skill and powerful hardware. We expect that staying competitive will involve deploying a cluster of high performance GPUs, e.g., Nvidia LS4, LS40, L40S, 3090S, 4090S. The network is designed for provers with extensive experience in nodes, operations, and software hardware optimization. Node operator, individual or team with experience running infrastructure can earn rewards by contributing spare compute. Data center and cloud provider, those with excess capacity can monetize ideal machine by participating in the proofer economy. Optimize and hardware experts. If you are skilled in writing low level software or building custom hardware, you can unlock significant chances to earn by revenue by reducing proving times and cost. So guys, next are their overview. Sufficient provider and out-of-box implementation of the prover software, designed to run a minimal node on the network. While this version is easy to set up and useful for understanding the prover architecture, it is not competitive with actively optimized prover running on the network. You should not expect to generate many proofs or operate profitably with this setup. It is best used as a reference implementation for developers building their own high performance scalable system. Next are the reference node run on Linux and Mac OS. There are two ways to run the nodes. Next are their hardware requirements. Proof generation is computationally intensive and demand high performance hardware. To be competitive, participants typically require high-end GPUs, FPGAs, or custom ASICs optimized for this workload. The out-of-the-box prover software can run on modest hardware and is suitable for experimentation or learning purpose. However, meaningful participation in the network at scale will require a custom implementation capable of managing many prover instances across multiple machines or hardware accelerators. Next are the table below the outlines the hardware requirement for both scenarios using out-of-the-box software or small-scale testing for deploying it. Nodes minimal provers is greater than or is equal to 1. Competitive provers is greater than or is equal to 64. Next are their hardware CPU or GPU for minimal prover, competitive prover GPU only. Next are their CPU 8 per GPU for minimal prover and 16 plus more is better for competitive prover. Memory 16 GB per GPU for minimal user, 16 GB plus per GPU for competitive prover. Recommended GPUs Nvidia RTX 4090 L4 8 engine, Nvidia RTX 4090 L4 L40s, RTX 5090 A10 G. Profitable minimal prover is no and competitive prover is yes. So yes guys, these are the things. Now we're moving on their Dockers. There are two ways to obtain a Docker image to out of the box Vue software: Elastic Container Registry ECR and build Docker image from source. Once you have obtained the Docker image, proceed to running a prover Elastic Container Registry ECR. Docker's image for both the CPUs and GPUs version of the prover are available in the ECR. They are published with every release of the prover software. You can pull the latest image with this by this you can say that code, or pull a specific version with this code. You can test the image with this code and these type of things. So guys, now they are built from a source. So build Docker. So guys, these are the links that you should build to reference and build Docker image. You have been click on this. Next are again their overview, how it works. In this section, we will walk through how being a prover on Succinet prover network actually works. We will cover how prover participate in the network and some end-to-end example of proving. Next are prover participate workflow. Running a prover node on Succinet network involves several key stages, which are this graph. You can see it. So this is the total graph that show you that prover setup phase and then proof generation phase, generate ZK proof, deadline, and these type of things. Then you have been should be the withdrawal. These are prover, these are auctioneer, these are Ethereum. So read about it. Staking and registration. Before your proof can do anything, we will need to stake proof. Staking is required to be eligible for auction and it will also act as the collateral pay. Yes, guys. uh, if you miss a deadline part of the auction, and it will your stake will be slashed. The more you stake, the more auction can you participate in concurrently. The protocol also supports delegated staking, where user can delegate their stake your proof as well. Number two is handling proof request. Once your proof is running and stake, it connects to the off-chain auctioneer. This is a real-time service that broadcasts proof request over RPC. Your prover listener listens for new requests as they come in. Each request includes details like the program to be proven, the proof deadline, and the maximum fee the requester is willing to pay. Your job is to monitor these requests and decide in real time whether it is profitable for you to bid. Next are there the proof request contain critical information that helps you make bidding decision. Program the computation to be proven, input the data to be used in computation, maximum proof gas a measure of computational complexity, be the maximum payment offered by requester, deadline when the proof must be delivered, and verification key required for proof verification. If you proof see request that look worth doing, it submits a bid with the price it's willing to accept. This enter an off-chain sealed bid auction. The lowest bid wins the right to fulfill the request. If you wins the auction, the request is assigned to your prover. From the point you are eligible for the proof, you need to generate and submit a valid proof before the deadline, or you will lose your collateral if you successfully submit the proof on time, or the auctioneer makes the request as fulfilled on your balance with credited with the proving fee. Next are the withdrawal earned fees. Balance are not settled on chain intermediately. Instead, the auctioneer periodically generate a zero knowledge proof of all recent state update, including proof fulfillments, balance changes, and slashing events. This proof is that submitted to Ethereum where it updates the network's on-chain state. That means your balance is technically updated on-chain by cryptographically proven and verifiable on-chain. So next is on once your balance is updated included in the settlement batch. You can withdraw your funds directly from the Ethereum smart contract. This does not require any permissions from the auctioneer or off-chain components. Even if the auctioneer disappeared, your funds are safe and fully withdrawable. So guys, next are there we have to move on our gate, and we should be have there three stages that one should be. So guys, number one is registration open, which is 6/8 and 2025. Event ended on 17/8 2025, and the airdrop will be distributed to 4/9/2025. So yes guys, on the 17th this event will be end. Now registration is open for every other user. Complete task to share 2 lakh proof prize pool. First future trade 1 lakh proof token 20 individual share pool. The prize pool has been fully claimed. Please check the EST share on the page to see if you have won. So guys, this prize pool has been claimed now. So this is not, but the tasks are on the first you have to be login and participate. Then you should have been complete the task, and first future trading volume greater than or is equal to 5000 USDT. Trade greater than or equal to 5000 USDT any future contract to earn proof. Next I claim 20 proof reward with the distribution of 4/9/2025 at 15. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Next are there activity rule. After joining the gate, if user have not conducted any contact trading, the first contract trading volume of any token greater than or equal to 5000 USDT will receive a fixed reward of 20 proof on a first come first serve basis. Total price pool is 1 lakh proof. So this is guys second event which is not ended yet, and it is now been able. Future trading to share 1 lakh proof and 1 lakh proof 80 proof individual. So first of all, complete task and share price pool. Number one, login and participate. So first of all, you have to be login to Gate.io and then you should have to participate in this event. Number two is complete task. Then you should have been complete all the tasks. By the task, I will show you on the join now button. So you should have been complete all the tasks. After that, you should have been eligible to be for this criteria. Number one is the tier one. So guys, it has three tier system which have been you can see. Number one is true future trading mission greater than or equal to 30,000 USDT. So you will get one candy. One candy is equal to 33 proofs. Means you can see that 33.44 proofs. And the other, you can see that if we can make it sure that if you have been get the trading mission of greater than or is equal to 30,000 USDT, then you should be get one candy. Tier number two, prove future trading mission greater than or is equal to 50,000 USDT, then you will get three candies. So this is the surety that if you have your trading volume greater than or equal to 50,000 USDT, then you will get three candies. And the three candies of the total amount is 100 of the dollar and 0.33. So these are the amount. So this is guys not amount in dollar. This amount is in proof that you should get these are the proof. So one candy contain 33 proof, three candy contain 100.33 proof. So now we're moving on our tier 3. So yes guys, tier 3 proof trading mission greater than or equal to 80,000 USDT, which are of 5 candies. Yes guys, of 5 candies, the proof trading volume is of you can say that greater than or equal to if it is for 80,000, then you should have been get it. So that this is sure about that your trading volume should be about of 80,000 minimal or greater than 80,000, then you should be get 5,000. And if you complete these three of the tire, means you unlock three tires, then you get all of these 9 candies on it. If you completed this three, unlock these three tires, then you will get it. So guys, these are the minimal things that you should be going upon it. Guys, as well as you complete this, so it is profitable to you. Means if you complete the first task, then you should be get only one candy. But with it, if you complete the any of other task, then you should be get the three candies. And after that, if you completed the next task, then you get 5 candies. As much you completed, you have more opportunities to earn them. So guys, the more opportunities mean a more reward, a big reward. So guys, this is, in my opinion, this is good for it. As I am, in my opinion, it is good for us, and it is always good for us. So guys, I don't think so. We should be have take a time to be means get opinion about it and these type of things. I think so. We should be contract about it and we should be focused on it. So it should be very means you can see that very helpful to us. So guys, these are the things that should be helpful to us and we should be proof to it. So guys, next are After completing this proof, you will get these candies, and then you will also get 80 proofs. So guys, these five candies, from these five candies, you will get your means 167 proof reward. From this, if you unlock these three tires, you will complete your trading volume of $80,000. Then you will get the nine candies. These nine candies contain the total airdrop of 167 proofs. After this, if you complete these three tires, then you will get extra 80 proof. Means extra 80 proof of the airdrop. Means candies airdrop 80 proof. These nine candies are extra, and these 80 proof are extra. So total, if you calculate 200 something proof, you should be get. So that this is a golden opportunity to you, that you should get these proof, and these proof are very helpful to you. So yes guys, in my opinion, it should be a very great opportunity that if you get these proof. So next guys, we have to be activity rules. During the event, user with cumulative future trading volume greater than or equal to 30,000 USDT proof can receive candies up to maximum of 9 candies and share in the 1 lakh proof prize pool. Future trading volume is equal to open interest plus cosmos. So guys, this is the very means you can say that important thing you should have to be noted, that your trading volume is of both open and close, not only one trading volume. You can say that only open trading volume, I have the open trading volume of 30,000 USDT. So no, it is not count. Your trading volume is of both open and close. Buy or sell both of trading volume, then you should get this airdrop. So guys, hope you will understand it, because I will clear everything to you in very easy words. So I hope you will understand all the things, all the things. So guys, hope you will understand. If you understand, like the stream, and if you need this thing, so you can get my stream, and links you should be get on it. So yes guys, this is for all for us. Meet you in our next stream. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.